Welcome to Loyltworks, a global B2B loyalty and incentive platform trusted by brands worldwide. As a tech-first company with over a decade of experience, we specialize in B2B loyalty and incentive solutions that help a brands design, scale, and manage high-impact engagement programs across markets. We believe loyalty is not just a feature, it is a strategic growth engine. If you are looking to build deeper, data-driven relationships with your channel partners, trade influencers, and B2B customers, you are in the right place. Our platform connects complex B2B ecosystems, including distributors, retailers, and trade influencers, enabling consistent engagement across industries and geographies. Unlock the power of our L1 loyalty platform, built to support multi-country and multi-brand program deployments. Fast, secure digital onboarding with configurable KYC workflows aligned to regional compliance needs. Users earn reward points by placing orders with payment, scanning QR codes, or uploading invoices. All claims validated in real time for complete authenticity. Generate, manage, activate, or deactivate QR codes centrally across markets in real time. Instantly redeem rewards across regions with multi-country fulfillment and partner networks. Gamified experiences, including lucky draws and leaderboards, are delivered seamlessly through digital channels. Integrated gamification, learning and assessment modules to drive long-term engagement and capability building. Configurable tax compliance, reporting mechanisms aligned with local regulations. Track performance, segment users, and push targeted offers using advanced analytics and dashboards. Referral-based growth mechanisms to expand partner and influencer ecosystems. Multi-language and localization support to ensure adoption across diverse markets. Seamless integration with ERP, CRM, POS, DMS, and enterprise systems via secure APIs. Enterprise-grade data security, privacy controls, and compliance with global standards. Built-in multi-currency and cross-border program support for global operations. Dedicated mobile applications for sales and field teams to manage and support loyalty programs on the go. Omni-channel communication across SMS, email, WhatsApp, and enterprise systems. Centralized contact center and IVR support to ensure seamless partner assistance and issue resolution. Built for multiple industries, including manufacturing, FMCG, automotive, building material, BFSI, healthcare, retail, and services. Our platform aligns loyalty investments directly with revenue growth, margin protection, and partner performance. Trusted by leading global brands across 20+ countries, Loyltworks powers large-scale loyalty and incentive programs with proven results. Ready to launch, scale, or transform your loyalty? Let's build a global loyalty ecosystem together. Connect with us now.